also made a video, made a file. I have another video on how I actually made it, but that has my face on it, and I don't want to say get in the face yet. Pretty much what's yeah. Today we're going Easter egg hunting at my family farm, of course. I made this file all by myself. The tiny assistance from Guy. Yes, that's his name. That's his actual name, but that's what we call him. How do you guys think I did? I'm gonna go Easter egg hunting and take you guys with me. As you can tell, I can't see any eggs anymore. Totally not. Yeah, it's my farm again. Pretty windy day. I'm wearing my leather vest, my necklaces. Hope you can see that. And my family ring. Oh, that's getting hot. Oh, this catching on fire. Yeah, welcome to my farm. Making a video, my nephew's asleep in the truck. Oh yeah, Mom, sister, and Guy. I'm making another video. That's the squirrel queen.
Hello.
She behind eggs. That's a toilet. Hey, the fire's big now.
Thank you.
All thanks to you guys. I'm a YouTube clone. YouTube. Flammable stuff in a very flammable fire. It goes ignite. I'm pretty proud of myself. I don't want to son of a. Oh, son of a Gundam. Don't touch hot metal with a fire on it. 1 second to go exploring. What's that? I'm taking you guys with me. Oh, dude. I broke my hand. Yeah, you can tell the fire's getting big. That's dude. Don't worry, you can't see his face. It's covered by a hood, glasses, and a hat. I don't have my hat on or a mask on, so you guys, I'm not seeing you have the face. This is my family. I guess he's technically is part of it now. Damn bastard, it's my sister's girlfriend. Girlfriend, I called you girlfriend. That's my fire stick. Oh my god, it's a Tuscan Wadle. It's a Texas Tuscan Wadle? So usually people like that, yeah. It's fire. I'm gonna take you guys egg hunting with me. Let's leave that there for a little bit. Let's splatter. Become a man. Like this muscly dude here. It's getting a little windy. You know, I don't think I've said you guys my sheep yet. There. There's my mother and there's sister. That is our sheep. Actually, I'll get one second. We have hay bales here, so I want to do with you guys. Yeah, I'm climbing the fence. Oh god. I'm a little too old for this. That is my sheep. They're beautiful, aren't they? So the one there with the white head, his name's Numbnuts. Out right there with the little brown head right in the middle, that's Pig. It's Numbnuts' mom. The one with the horns is Horny, and the one facing away from us is Lady. That's a hay bale. It's a graveyard. Family song. The family. I have a bird's eye view of the situation. Sister, say hi. And that's Guy. Can't forget Guy. That's a baby mobile. That's a truck. That's 10 acres of land we live on. That's a pile of junk. I got up here now. No. Son. Ooh, I gotta tell you guys something. You guys too. I have a new way to get up here. I don't wedge myself between anymore. I'm getting too old for that crap. Pardon my language. I climb up the fence. Careful, people. There's eggs down there. Make sure it's big and strong. That's sister, and that's my sister's boyfriend. That's my sister, the one in the gray, the big buff one. That guy in the dark one right there. That's dating my sister. It's so funny, kids. You said to see that. Current the biz. Oh yeah! Oh shit! Oh, you got a part of my language. What eggs? We have blue light.
I hit some in the trees. Actual that one.
Whoa, that's a big pine cone right there. That's a big pine cone. Can't wait to eat that. How's the fire doing?
I thought we bought 3 sheets of stickers.
Let me check this out.
I did not hide Lucas's basket because he's not here. That's right. I thought we bought 3.
I have an arrow.
We ended up grabbing the 2.
Thought we got one with eggs on it. Or did we?
Pardon the language. Pardon the language again. This is a kid's show. This is a kid's show you guys are swearing on.
Oh shit!
So she corrects it with a swear.
Anytime I say the S word or God damn it, I'll always say, pardon my language.
Well, pardon all my language for the entire video. I will continue.
Yeah, she's an adult. Let's toss some of that in there to get it back up. You guys are gonna come with me to get some firewood. That's an old outhouse. Don't trust it. It's evil. This is the wood shed. Now, right there, well, I grabbed some wood. It may not be the best point of view, but I need 2 hands for this. I cut all this wood myself. Just with like some pieces. That was on some family help. I'm going to walk sideways with you guys. How's the view? I should really button up my vest. This is the best view ever for a video. Why don't my
Don't
arm?
worry about waiting for me to say yes, it's okay to put it in. Unless I have my hot dog over top of the fire at the time. We want this thing packed right full. Nice and big. So put them in so that we catch. And then we're going to put logs on. We're going to put that where the fire is, right?
Just make more.
Yeah, but laying down over here where the fire isn't.
Sorry. I put my hand. No, that's my fire stick.
She's moving it around the fire.
I should use
Making sure it's no big.
cuties.
Yeah, I laid that one down really
Cuties.
flatly.
That sounds better because you just going, you cuties, would be very
I said-
weird.
You cuties. Don't inhale smoke. It's bad for your lungs.
Are
That-
you guys gonna make a pile of wood just over by the fire here? Hi, honey.
Hey, can we like pour a tiny bit of gasoline in that?
No, you don't need to pour gasoline on
Just a
it.
little bit so it becomes big and strong.
No,
Like the one we did over there.
we're gonna cook on it.
Oh yeah. Nobody likes the taste of gasoline in their hot dogs and food and Skull Queens.
See? We just need to give it some air.